Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing good and taking the necessary precautions that the present times warrant. Now I know you're not really used to watching somebody hosting an event for you on your laptop screens, but hey, maybe that's what they mean when they say change is the only constant. Isn't it amazing as to how technology has evolved to now support an entire generation to transact, connect, share, learn, grow, and of course, enable us to stand in front of you and bring to you the best of computing developed for a relentlessly evolving world. So ladies and gentlemen, I proudly welcome you to the first ever virtual product range launch by Dell India. This is a unique platform designed to showcase Dell's best in line for 2020. Once the launch is over, you can head to the Knowledge Center, download all the product videos and brochures to win exciting prizes. Since we have a lot of excitement in store for you, I would now like to request Mr. Manoj Kapoor, Director, Channel Sales, to tune in for the welcome note. So let's hear from Mr. Manoj.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for taking out today to join us for this exciting launch. We are happy to have you with us, and on behalf of the entire Dell family, I would like to welcome you to this launch event. We have a unique and unparalleled portfolio, and one of the biggest reasons the customers are able to go and buy a Dell product comfortably is the support given by all of you to make this product available. Channel partners are a huge enabler to any organization. As a company, we are on a continuous journey to evolve as a great channel company. And the operative word here is continuous, because the journey never ends. While we'll spend time on the launches, let me share with you the core channel philosophy of Dell. The philosophy can be summed pretty much as A, B, C of partnership. A is essentially about achieving more and more together. Idea is, we've got a very strong brand in India. How do we leverage that brand to get more and more on the table for all of us? How do we benefit from the expanded portfolio to harness the opportunities in the marketplace and even create some? How do we possibly launch the best promotion in the marketplace? How do we make sure that conduct of business is simpler every single day? Idea is how do we work together to achieve more for each one of us. The second element of this philosophy is B, which is backing each other. How do we support each other so that we can have a long-term sustained rally? I'll take the example of recent challenge that we ran into, which was the lockdown. Lockdown essentially meant that all of us were impacted in terms of customer footfalls and lower sales. The call which was taken by Dell as a brand was to support channel partners during this time. We actually decided to pay all our programs pro rata in Q1, and the same philosophy has continued in Q2 also. So ensuring that we support each other during tough time is a great hallmark of any partnership. I'll move to the C, which is about creating shared value together. One of the biggest elements where we can create value together is about creating a great customer experience. How do we ensure that every single transaction, every small bit that we do results in enhancing the customer experience? Once the customer experience gets elevated, as a brand, as a team, as a group, we benefit big time. This should also ensure that we are able to scale up our numbers in premium where there is a lot of headroom for us to grow. We have to become a strong number one in every segment that we play in. And that's where today's launch comes into play. These new launches dovetail beautifully into our strategy of growing premium. We have got some exciting times lined up for you over the next 1 hour or so. So my request is have fun and enjoy this exciting launch.
Thank you, Manoj. And I'm sure that address would have excited you all more. So without further ado, let's hear from Mr. Rajkumar Rishi, VP and General Manager, CSB, Dell India, for the partner address. Over to you, Rishi.
Hi, I'm very pleased to welcome all our channel partners to this new product launch event called Epic Ensemble. This is a virtual event and we are very excited to launch a whole range of new products, especially focused on gaming and also new XPS devices that we're launching today. At the beginning, I'd like to wish all our partners health and safety during these times. I hope you, your teams and your families are keeping safe. I'd like to urge you all to make sure that we take all possible precautions in these times and stay healthy. I would also like to thank each one of our partners for your continued partnership and support to Dell consumer business in the country. We've been having a great run in this business for the last many years. We are the most trusted brand. We are the most searched brand on Google. We are also among the top brands as far as the business size is concerned. And all this wouldn't have been possible without some great support from all of you. And all this also reflects very strongly on our overall customer experience that as a team we are able to provide to our end consumers. And when we speak about customer experience, it basically covers the product experience, covers the pre-sales experience, covers the overall brand experience, also covers the sales experience at the time of selling, whether online or at the store, and of course about the post-sales experience. And as you will know, all this is not possible without your partnership. And this is where we have interdependence on each other, our partners and Dell. And we worked beautifully in the past to deliver best-in-class customer experience to our end consumers. Some of the things that I like to highlight at this point of time about product, we at Dell believe that technology should support human progress. And time to time we have come up with new innovations and new technologies to stay ahead in this market. And for example, things like Dell Cinema, which enhances your viewing experience, things like EyeSafe, which makes sure that you don't hurt your eyes as you spend a lot of time in front of the screen. The new features like four-side Infinity Edge, which actually enhances the overall viewing experience. So all these are the things that we've been doing on an ongoing basis, coupled with the premium support that we have, the preemptive support that we provide to our end consumers. So that this some of the highlights on the product side. As far as brand is concerned, I spoke about the fact that we are considered the most trusted brand in the country, and we are also the most searched brand as far as this segment is concerned. And this is made possible through some great work happening at various levels. For example, as far as the education segment is concerned, for the last 4 years, we've been running this program called Arambh, in which we have trained approximately 90,000 teachers so far and 130,000 mothers so far, to make sure that we bring up the relevance of PC in the education system. We have this program called Dell Futurist, which is basically an always-on social media program where we ensure that we have the influencers and the youth segment addressing through our ongoing engagement with that particular segment. Then, of course, below the line, we make sure that we provide the best-in-class experience at the store level, the ISP trainings, the fact that as the new environment came in, where we wanted to have a, let's say, non-touch experience with our end consumers. So we have digitized the entire catalogs, we have digitized the entire engagement at the store level to just make sure that we stay ahead of the curve on this one as well. And at this point of time, I'd like to again thank our partners. The experience at the store level is a collaboration between our partners and Dell to make sure that we provide the best possible experience there. Then, of course, to make sure that we have the right experience in the post-sales touch point as well. So this all puts together to make sure that we provide best-in-class customer experience. And you'll see going forward also, as our products are concerned, or our the marketing engagement is concerned, or even the enhancements that we are going to do in our post-sales tech support, you'll see that we'll continuously enhance our customer experience. The other aspect that I want to touch upon is our continuous effort and focus on improving our partner experience. We want to make sure that we make dealing with Dell as easy and as straightforward as possible as far as our partner community is concerned. So there is a lot of focus on making sure that the claims management, the entire program management, the fact that we are moving a lot of business to upfront then back end, the way we are trying to bring together the omni-channel experience between the e-commerce GTM and our DS partners. So all these things are being done to make sure that we provide the best-in-class experience to our partners as well. One motto that we have there is that we want to be extremely consistent and extremely predictable as far as our partners are concerned, and we don't want our partners to double guess as to how we are going to lay down our programs or processes going forward. So this is how I would like to sum up some of the things we are doing from customer experience standpoint, from partner experience standpoint. The other thing which is happening is that our category is becoming more and more relevant. With work from home and learn from home gaining more prominence, we'll find that the laptop category would definitely be in focus. And I just want to give you that confidence that we at Dell are absolutely aware of this, and we are making sure that we get the right products, the right supply chain, and also the right processes backing us to make sure that we are there to get the best out of the opportunity that we have there. We are able to make our partners get the best out of this opportunity. At the end, I would like to once again thank our partners for your great support so far, and we look forward to have another exciting year ahead of us. I hope this event you will find it enriching and productive. Our team has put a lot of effort to get this event together. It's a virtual event, but at the same time we wanted to make sure that we come forward and have a good communication event and share our new product plans, the new product launches, as well as the overall channel programs and channel plans that we have in place. I really hope you will find it useful. Have a great event and have a great year ahead. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, Rishi. And now, before we move a step closer to the launch segment, let's have a look at some of the key industry insights and trends as inferred by Mr. Atul Mehta, Senior Director, Sales.
Good morning, friends. I hope all of you are safe at home. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you for being part of Dell family. We are really grateful for your patronage. At Dell, we firmly believe collaboration and strategic partnership are the basic fundamentals for driving great results. I would like to thank each one of you for driving great results in your respective territories in the first half of the year. Today I'll talk about India PC market overview. As we all know, post-pandemic, the PC as a category has become more relevant. And as we know that India is the youngest population in the country and 50% of our population is less than the age of 25 years. And what we see, there is a lot of adoption rate going up for PC as a category, primarily because of three cohorts. One, which is your learn from home. Two, which is your work from home. And third, which is entertainment from home. Considering all of that, India is projected to be the third largest country in the globe in PC market. And most of this growth is going to come from the premium category. And as we all know, gaming is also part of the premium category, which is growing at 75% year on year. Post lockdown, we are seeing huge demand in all categories across all GTMs. So LFRs are growing at 100%, whereas the Dell exclusive stores are also growing at 100%. We are seeing good demand happening across online, and this will continue to be in a similar fashion in Q3 as well, which is August, September, and October. August, we are seeing a lot of colleges are going to open up, and in September, October, we will continue to see demand because of the festivals, which is Navaratri and Diwali. As we are entering the festival season, we have a set platform. We have the lowest ever T1 and T2 inventories in channel. FY21 has been a transformational year for Dell channel business, and we have built a lot of milestones around our operational efficiencies. Starting from price parity across all GTMs, for the first time we've given 4 weeks of price protection for our premium products. And on the range, we have completed our range in last 6 to 9 months. And on top of it, we led the industry on the 10th generation Intel processor transition. In addition to that, as we all know that Dell products comes with very high quality and unique features. Like in gaming, we have a unique feature which is game shift technology, which helps the gamer to give 50% boost while playing the game. Similarly, on XPS, we have a 4-sided narrow bezel, which gives an immersive experience to the customers. Net, I would like to sum up this festival. We have the great premium products and the great partnership. So looking forward to a great festival season with all of you. Thank you so much. I would also like to introduce our next speaker. He's joined us from HP. He's a veteran in the industry. He'll be leading LFR, retail and consumer direct business for Dell, Anurag Arora.
A very warm welcome, dear partners. My name is Anurag Arora, and I'm fortunate to be starting my Dell journey in partnership with all of you. What a wonderful time to be in the Dell ecosystem. I'm sure each one of you are experiencing your friends, your family, reaching out for a Dell notebook, desktop, monitor, or other PC accessories. I am very, very excited about our industry, as I see even my 7-year-old daughter using the PC for hours at a time. It is nothing less than a revolution, as each kid in the house is using one. We have moved from one PC in the house to a PC for each one in the house. And we at Dell are best prepared and positioned to leverage this huge transformation in our ecosystem. I thank you once again for the partnership as we create history together. Thank you.
Thank you, Anurag. And we all wish you a thrilling time ahead here at Dell. And now moving on and getting closer to the launch section, which I'm sure all of you all must have been waiting for, I would like to welcome Mr. Anand S., Director, Product Marketing.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this great event, and I'm looking forward to share my thoughts and what is in store for you as we enter into the festive season. So as the event suggests, this is all about Epic Ensemble. All of you are here and we are meeting after a long time to discuss what is in store as we enter into the festive quarter. So this time has also presented a great opportunity. So Epic is basically nothing but a grand event which is there, and then we have a opportunity which is time and circumstances that makes it possible for us to do something great. And at this juncture where we are, we have a great quarter ahead. thanks to your support, we have done fantastically well in the previous quarters, and with this set of new products and lineup, we hope that all of you will be prepared and we all together can win in the coming quarters. Now, I would like to cover this session into 3-4 topics. First, I'll talk about what are the different changes which are happening in the industry, where the opportunity lies for each one of us. Then I'll talk about how our product lineup, which we'll talk in next couple of sessions, are going to enable you, and what are the different trends and changes which are happening in the industry. So let me start with the market. At the juncture where we are, consumer market is growing strong, and within consumer market, if you look at the premium segment, which is, let's say, greater than 52,000 rupees or $800, that's a segment which is expected to grow in the future. So if I look at next 3-year horizon, it is expected to grow at more than 15.5% CAGR, which means every year it will go at least 15.5% or more. Now that presents a great opportunity because as a brand we are quite strong there. We have products which are designed to meet such segments. So we'll talk about it in our coming session. But let me talk about how the dynamics is changing, how consumer behaviors are also changing. So if you look at it today, about 39% of the customer, they are playing on notebooks versus 21% last year. So gaming as a trend is really catching up. We have seen that almost 56% of the gamers are playing esports game compared to, let's say, just about 38% last year. And we are also seeing that 68% of the gamers own a GTX or above graphics versus about 58% last year. What it means is that while gaming as such is growing, PC gaming within the segment is going pretty strong, and that's a great opportunity for each one of us who are in the system. And we are also seeing that our sales is a reflection of that. We are seeing that yes, gaming products are really moving fast. So we have a fantastic lineup which will address those needs. Second is another thing that as an active gaming users, almost 8 million people are today actively playing games. In last 1 year, active PC gamers have grown almost 27%. Today almost 8 million people are playing games on PC every year. And there's also a great amount of diversity. Earlier where it was predominantly played by male and youth, today we see almost 67 to 33% female is to male ratio. A lot of youngster, a lot of females and are playing games, and that's very good for our industry, right? So in a nutshell on this slide, what I'm basically trying to tell is that premium segment is growing and it is expected to grow, and that is what is driving the demand in our PC segment. 2, this growth is driven by gaming, and this growth is also driven by thin and light. And if you notice the chart which is there, almost the greater than $1,200 space is driving almost 20% year on year. So the super premium range is also expected to grow really fast, and we have fantastic product to take care of that. Now what I would like to do before I continue my session, I would like you to look at this video which we are going to play, which will talk about our philosophy of how we are approaching the new Dell lineup.
It's interesting what happens when you treat every little piece of a thing like it's not just one thing, but everything. Because when each part does everything better than ever, imagine what you can do with the sum of those parts. The new Dell XPS.
As you saw in the video, that explains our philosophy. Our philosophy is that technology should drive human progress, and we work towards making tools that help customer achieve their best potential. In the video, there's a part which says, when each part does everything better than ever, imagine what you can do with some of those parts. That sums up our approach for the design philosophy, what we are trying to do. When you look at XPS, XPS has been voted as one of the best laptop of last decade, by Laptop Magazine. Now, when you have the best laptop of last decade, how do you improve it even better? That is one of the challenge that we have. And then when we worked on it, the philosophy was that how do you create a balance between performance and what the technology which is available at that time. So if you recollect, about 5 years back, we were the first to introduce 3-side, narrow border on XPS. Now, how do you take it to the next level? At that point in time, we had envisaged that you should have a 4-side narrow border or infinity edges, but technology was not there to produce it. We knew that the webcam has to be on top of the product. However, the borders were so thin that such a thin webcam was not available. So we took some time to design and make that technology ground up in house. And now in 2020 XPS, my colleague Himanshu will present it in his presentation. You would see that we have been able to cut all the borders of XPS. Little things like this we have looked at, and even able to place the camera on top of that. So you're seeing how we are pushing the boundaries of technological innovation and really changing the way the customer experience the product. So what was already the best, we are trying to make it even better, and that's what you will experience. And please do look at that presentation intently, because every single feature that we have been able to add on to this product is really path-breaking, and we have really pushed the envelope over there. Now I'll just quickly cover about what are the different trends and changes which we are foreseeing. So I started off with the XPS example, where I spoke about 4-side infinity edge. That's almost achieving 90% screen to body ratio, which was not possible a couple of years back. What we are doing is that since we already have an expertise and we have a knowledge of 3-side narrow borders, we are pushing them down into other models. And then when you look at the mainstream, you would see that 2-side narrow borders will emerge. So what it means is customers' front of the screen experience will improve. They will see more screen in this same form factor, and they'll be they'll be able to experience a better front of the screen viewing experience. Now there's another thing which is happening, and as a trend, if I look at in the clamshell laptops, you will see that we are increasing the size of the touchpad. That also means better control for the customer. They'll be able to use the have better, more precise usage of the trackpad. Then another trend which is happening is, you will see in our products as we unveil in the due course, you will see that metal body. Earlier you have seen industry talking about metal finish. We launched XPS with single aluminum block CNC machine. We had Alienware, which was with magnesium alloy body. You will see that metal bodies will start coming into our other products right up to 5000 series as well. Then we will also have higher battery life. Average battery life of the laptop will go upwards of 10 hours, and something like XPS, we are really pushing the envelope over there, and my colleague will talk more about that. In the gaming side, where again another thing where we are really pushing the boundaries there, you would see that today gamers are really spending a lot of time when they play 3-4 hours together in front of the laptop. For that they need a really great screen experience, and they also need better refresh rate. So you would see that our screens will become greater than 120 hertz as a standard thing as we move forward into the year. You would also see that starting from XPS, we have really improved the product screens, where we have UHD as a standard, and we are seeing that UHD display is becoming more of a standard on the super premium product. We also have really pushed the envelope in terms of bringing the great screen experience by enabling 100% sRGB and 100% Adobe certified on our UHD screens. That will also mean that The enthusiast, whether they are gaming or they are photographers or they are filmmakers, they would be able to reproduce the image as they shot using the HDR cams or high definition cams. So that's a experience which will come on our high-end products. Beyond that, specifically on gaming, our cooling solutions are really changing. You would see in our new Alienware lineup and in the XPS, we have really bought some fantastic thermal technology which will ensure that while the products are becoming thinner, your experience of heat dissipation is really great there. Then we are also talking about giving control to the gamer. We have been defining the PC gaming, how the direction of the PC industry goes, and especially in the gaming section. With Alienware, we've been defining how new technology comes into that segment, and at the center of it, the gamer needs to have control. While you can build a performance, laptops, the fun of the gaming is when gamer has control. And we are introducing various products in gaming sections where G series is designed for customers who are moving from mobile experience to the PC experience, larger screen experience. And of course, Alienware as a brand is there for the pro gamers and enthusiasts who are there. What is common between both these series is control for the gamer. As you move from G series to Alienware, there is greater control, but even for a customer who is moving from mobile to, let's say, a PC gaming, we have given technologies like Alienware Command Center, which used to be earlier there only on Alienware, is now available on G series. You also get RGB lighting, which is coming into the mainstream gaming products, and also game shift technology, which is unique to Dell and no other brand has, where control is what I was talking about. Even when gamer is playing the game, at the press of a button, they will get a performance boost and they'll be able to beat their opponent. So that's the control I was talking about. That's of course now coming onto the entire range, especially in G series. So these are some of the great products and great features that will be coming into our product. Last but not least, when you make a great product, when you give great features for customers to experience, support is truly critical. And what we have is Premium Plus support, which we are giving default in our new XPS range. Premium Plus support is really path breaking, and I would encourage each one of you to learn more about it, and my colleague will cover it in his section. What is unique in this is lot of support is after the damage has happened. It is reactive in nature. But in case of Premium Plus support, we have designed an algorithm with the help of AI, and we are able to predict the failure before it happens. So if you are a Premium Plus service customer, in your laptop, if a component is, let's say, about to fail and our algorithm detects that, it will automatically raise a ticket to the care, and care team will call you proactively to address that. So there is practically no downtime, and just in case you need to talk to a customer service associate, you will be able to do that with a dedicated queue, dedicated line. You will have very less downtime, and you will be able to reach the care executives much faster. So Premium Plus as a support is very, very critical, and that we are providing in the super premium products as a peace of mind for the customer. You can also sell these as a after sales support. For that you need to contact with our service and support team, but they are available even as an upgrade for other product categories. Now this last slide is just to summarize. I said in the beginning that we have great products, and how do you make greatest? And we launched this XPS just few months back, and as you can see on the screen, every single magazine, every single reviewers across the world is rating these products as the best. They are rating this as one of the best Windows laptop. They are rating this as one of the best PC available, which is in the market, and I'm very happy to share with you all. We launched it about 2 weeks back, and we are getting phenomenal response from partners, from customers, and we are very overwhelmed with that. And I would encourage you all to really look into the new categories and new products that my colleagues are going to share, and feel free to reach out to us for any queries or any kind of feedback that you may have, and we'll be happy to help you and happy to support you. Thank you.
Thank you, Anand. Coming up next, we have Mr. Akshay Kamath, Client Computing Sales Director, Intel India Technology Private Limited, for an enriching keynote on Intel. So let's hear from Akshay.
Hello everyone, and hope you all are doing fine and staying safe in these unprecedented times. I am really excited to see the newly launched Dell XPS and Alienware laptops along with the G5, G3 series gaming laptops, which are based on the new 10th gen Intel Core processors. I believe this brings some truly revolutionary features and performance benefits for consumers. So let's dive right in and understand the technology behind it. Let's begin first with the technology powering the latest Dell Alienware and the G5, G3 gaming laptops, which is the 10th gen Intel Core 8 series processors. Simply put, these are the fastest mobile processors out there, with the majority of SKUs having turbo frequencies crossing the 5 GHz barrier and going up to a maximum of 5.3 GHz on the Core i9 SKU. Why is this so important? So games and most applications like office productivity, everyday photo and video editing, web browsing, etc., scale in performance with frequency and benefit from the high frequency cores. Games in particular deliver better frame rates with the higher frequencies, resulting in a much superior gaming experience for the gamers. The 10th gen Intel Core 8 series processors therefore deliver desktop caliber performance in a mobile form factor for an overall no compromise gaming and performance experience. Now, our Halo SKU in the 10th gen lineup is the Core i9-10980HK processor, which can be found in the new Dell Alienware M15 gaming laptop. This features 8 cores with 16 threads of processing performance and a maximum turbo frequency of up to 5.3 GHz. Now, this is enabled with the new Intel Turbo Boost Max technology 3.0, which identifies your processor's 2 fastest cores and directs your most critical workloads to them to get the best overall performance. This is a fully unlocked processor for overclocking and features the new Intel Speed Optimizer, which is a one-click overclocking feature built into the Intel Extreme Tuning utility that leverages thermal and power delivery headroom to improve the multi-threaded performance scenarios in your day-to-day usage. The 10th gen Intel Core mobile processors are fine-tuned with intelligent performance optimizations like Intel Thermal Velocity Boost 3 and Intel Adaptix Dynamic Tuning for extracting maximum computing power from your system. And that's not all. 10th gen features next level wireless connectivity with built-in support for the latest Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax standard with the integrated Wi-Fi 6 Gig Plus technology from Intel, which delivers 3 times faster download speeds for those huge game files, 75% lower latency for ultra-responsive gaming, and in general more reliable connections. The integrated Thunderbolt 3 is the fastest USB-C port with up to 4 times the bandwidth of USB 3.1 and allowing for connecting high-speed external storage or multiple displays all in one cable. This is available on the Alienware M15 laptop, so look forward to it. Now, the 10th gen i9-10980HK processor delivers compelling performance boost with up to 54% more game FPS, 44% better overall performance, and up to 2 times faster 4K video rendering and export versus a 3-year-old enthusiast gaming PC. That's tremendous. And on gaming especially, the performance boost benefits versus a 3-year-old PC is consistent across a variety of popular game titles like Red Dead Redemption 2, Total War 3 Kingdoms, etc. These are very popular games that are played out there and you get a significant boost on these kind of games. Now, we talked about Core i9, but what about Core i7? The good news is that the 10th gen Core i7 processors also feature up to 8 core 16 threads and up to 5.1 GHz of maximum turbo frequency, which make them excellent choices for a gaming laptop or a performance laptop, such as the new Dell G5, G3 gaming laptops, or the XPS 15 performance laptop. Now, when you compare it to a 3-year-old PC, the 10 Gen Core i7 10750H delivers up to 44% more game FPS, 33% better overall performance, and up to 70% faster 4K video rendering and export versus a 3-year-old PC. These Core i7 processors, therefore, are excellent choices for blazing fast content creation or performance workloads. All said and done, it's also not just about the hardware, but also about how well the software can take advantage of these new features. And I'm proud to say that Intel has a very rich history of collaborating with the ISVs to ensure the best performance on the popular gaming titles or creation suites with these latest generation processors. The hardware plus software combination is a formidable reason for consumers to choose the new 10 Gen Intel Core H series processor based laptops. Now, finally, I want to talk about Project Athena. Project Athena is Intel's trailblazing laptop innovation program, which was initiated back in 2018 to imagine and build a new class of advanced laptops based on the needs and aspirations of today's advanced mobile users. Central to these laptops' differentiation are the new experiences that they'll deliver to the PC that will help the so-called mobile go-getters, who are the world's most motivated people, and help them to focus and achieve more in a day. A Project Athena certified laptop delivers experiential innovation across 6 technology vectors. It has to deliver best-in-class performance and application responsiveness, helping users to focus on the task at hand. It has to have true all-day battery life across real-world usages and lightning-fast connectivity for hassle-free, always-ready on-the-go usage. And finally, it has to be adapted to the user's needs by delivering intelligent performance when needed in sleek, thin and light, and engaging form factors. And I'm very happy to say that the new Dell XPS 13 is one of the first wave of Project Athena certified devices, delivering the best mobile PC experiences in a very sleek and compact thin and light design. The XPS 13 features the 10 Gen Intel Core processors, codenamed Ice Lake, which delivers intelligent performance with the power of the built-in AI instructions. The powerful integrated Intel Iris Plus graphics enables a huge leap forward in gaming, streaming, and creativity, pushing a smoother, more detailed, and more vivid experience than ever before on highly portable devices. Now you can watch 4K 60 HDR video in a billion colors, or play the top games at 1080p with up to 2 times faster FPS versus previous generation, all in a highly compact form factor. Watch out for the Engineered for Mobile Performance icon next to select configurations of the XPS 13 so that you know that it is Project Athena certified. Thank you very much for having me here, and happy selling. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshay. And now, ladies and gentlemen, is the time that all of us have gathered here for. Give a huge round of distant applauses for Mr. Himanshu, Product Manager, who will be unveiling for us the much awaited Dell XPS range and the legendary gaming portfolio. Over to you, Himanshu.
Hi everyone, I'm happy here to announce 5 new products under the Dell portfolio. Every product that we have launched has been the true reflection of our core design philosophy, which is purposeful innovation. Today we are going to embark on a journey where you will see the same being possible in the 5 products that we are launching today. Now, one of such fantastic product is XPS. With every XPS that we have launched, we have bought a new innovation technology in the market, maybe the design, the display, the camera, or the packaging. Now, that defines the philosophy that we were talking about, which is every little thing is everything. Now, when every small part in the product does better than ever, you can imagine what the product could do. As I said, that at Dell we believe that every little thing is everything. Sustainability is such one important piece to us. At Dell, we have kept a moonshot goal of being 100% recyclable packaging by 2030. The new Dell XPS 13 and 15 takes us one step closer to that, with made of 100% recyclable and renewable material. I'm excited to bring to you the new XPS 13. Let's welcome it. The new Dell XPS 13 is designed masterfully. It is cut from a single block of aluminium with CNC machining. The palm rest comes with woven glass fiber on the white color and with the 3K carbon fiber on the black color, giving it the extra strength. The XPS 13 is built to last. Now let me introduce to you the new XPS 13 screen. The XPS 13 comes with the world's thinnest bezel in any laptop with reduced form factor. This is made possible by the 4-side narrow border, which has happened because we reduced the bottom bezel from 19.6 to 4 mm, which is 76% reduction. The new XPS 13 comes with 16:10 aspect ratio, giving the best on-screen experience. Now let me talk about the new XPS 13 comes with a stunning 4K 100% sRGB 500 nits display, ensuring that you get the pinpoint accuracy. The new XPS 13 comes with the long battery life of up to 18 hours and 49 minutes. This gives you an all-day battery, allowing you to be on mobile for the long day and do your job and get your job done. Now, the new XPS 13 is the perfect combination or blend of design, performance and experience with the best-in-class premium material, the new Infinity Edge display, the best-in-class UHD quality screen and the long battery life. Now, let me introduce to you the new XPS 15. The new XPS 15 is the smallest performance laptop out there. The XPS 15 is the smallest 15.6-inch performance laptop with 4-side Infinity Edge display. It comes with a gaming processor and a gaming grade graphics card. The XPS 15 comes with a UHD 4K display, which is 100% Adobe RGB, providing you the best-in-class lifelike visuals on the screen with pinpoint accuracy. The XPS 15 comes with 4-element lens, the best-in-class 2.25mm minuscule camera. The camera is equipped with advanced noise temporal, ensuring giving you a best crisp video output. The new XPS 15 comes with top-firing speaker and WaveNX tuning. The WaveNX tunings ensure that you get the best-in-class audio on your headphone, which detects your direction of your head, the head movement, and gives you a best directional audio. The new XPS 15 is made for the creators, the people who want to create on the go, people who want to consume on the go. This product is best in class to provide you both the things with the performance and the beauty on the screen with a 4K 100% Adobe display. The XPS 15 is a perfect packaging of what a creator would need.
Welcome to the initiation.
After looking at the new XPS 15 and say 13 exciting range, let me introduce to you and welcome you to your initiation for the gaming launch. Let me introduce to you the new Alienware M15, the a warship from the outer world, the outer galactic champion Alienware M15 R3.
So powerful and so thin. It's a whole new realm in gaming.
New Alienware R3 is lean, just got legendary. It is the thinnest, lightest and most powerful Alienware laptop ever. It is just 17.9 mm. The new Alienware M15 is built with magnesium alloy, giving it the rigidity and the lightness. The thermals on the Alienware are built of copper alloy, ensuring that the maximum heat dissipation happens. The new Alienware M15 is powered with the latest i9 HK 10th generation processor and NVIDIA RTX graphics card. To ensure that the laptop runs faster and gives you maximum performance, the laptop comes with 12-phase and a 6-phase voltage regulator on the GPU and the CPU. The new Alienware M15 is equipped with the advanced Cryotech technology, which has got vapor chamber in it. The vapor chamber ensures that heat dissipation happens faster by evaporating the liquid. Now this product comes with 40% more heat sink area and 26 more fan blades, ensuring that you have the top end advanced cooling solution delivering an uncompromised performance. The new Alienware M15 is equipped with 4K OLED, 400 nits, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut and an HDR500 rating display. The best in class display, giving you lifelike visuals on your game, ensuring that you are ahead of competition. It also comes with a 300 Hz display, ensuring that you have the fastest refresh rate out there, win the game with no competition in you. The new Alienware 15 is the first laptop to have advanced Tobii eye tracking with Tobii Reflex and Tobii Spotlight. With Tobii Reflex, now you can use the Tobii eye tracking on a dual screen functionality, and the new Tobii Reflex also has the new Spotlight feature, which allows you to render the area where you are looking at faster, ensuring you have the best in class display in the action when you look at the screen. The new Alienware M15 is an all-and-out winner, an outer galactic champion with magnesium build, powerful 10th-gen processor, NVIDIA RTX 2080 graphics cards, the phase voltage regulator and the new OLED screen. With the new Alienware M15, you are the champion out there. After having witnessed the Alienware warship, the outer galactic champion, let me introduce to you the new Dell Gaming G series lineup. The new G3 and G5 are two different products. The G3 is for a gamer's institution, a product without any corner cuts to deliver the maximum performance on a mainstream laptop. We also have the new companion, the new Dell G5, The new Dell G5 is for the people who wants explorer attitude. The new Dell G5 has the new things like the premium metal finish, the best in class display. Let me introduce to you the new Dell G5. The new Dell G5 comes with premium IMR metal finish with a sturdy steel fiber design, ensuring that laptop lasts for long but delivers your premium look and feel. The new Dell G5 comes with best in class gaming display, a 300 nits display with 72% color gamut. The 300 nits display ensures that you have best brightness where blacks are more blacker and whites are more whites, ensuring the reproduction, and a 72% color gamut ensuring that you have the best in class color gamut available on the gaming laptop. The G5 laptop also comes with the unique GameShift technology, which gives you an in-game performance boost. By a press of the button, the fan goes on max and ensures that the CPU gets into performance mode, delivering up to 50% more performance while within the game. You press the key again and it goes into the normal mode. The new G5 also comes with Nahimic 3D audio for gamer. The Nahimic 3D audio has a sound tracking which allows you to ensure and see where the sound is coming from. For an example, if you are playing a first person shooting game like a CSGO, you can see a radar on the screen where it will show an amplitude for where the bullets are coming from. Now this helps you to strategize your team. If you are a 4-member team, you can ensure that maximum people are fighting on the side where the bullets are coming from. Also, the Nahimic has an inbuilt dynamic voice modulation, giving you a lower noise behind when you're talking to your teammates. The G5 also comes with a unique Alienware Command Center. The Alienware Command Center is one-stop shop for you to manage all your performance metrics, be it the CPU performance, the GPU performance, the thermal, the power, or your other things like the lightings. And you can control everything on your fingertip with Alienware Command Center. G5 in and all is a champion. In and all gives you everything that you need in a gaming laptop, a premium finish for you to show it off, an Alienware Command Center, GameShift technology, Nahimic, all game ready technologies, and a best in class display to stay ahead of the competition. The new G5 is equipped with i7 10th Gen processor and a GTX 1650 Ti graphics card. After seeing the new fantastic Dell G5, let me introduce to you the new and updated Dell G3. The new Dell G3, as I said, comes with no corner cut. It is equipped with the GameShift technology that we spoke about, delivering the performance on a boost with the click of a button. It comes with Alienware Command Center for you to manage all your parameters, and it also comes with the Nahimic 3D audio just like the G5, ensuring that you get all the equipment that you need to win the game. The new Dell G3 is also equipped with the 10 Gen i7 processor, the NVIDIA GTX 1650 Ti graphics card for you to ensure maximum performance. The new Dell G3 also comes with advanced dual fan and a copper heat sink for the thermals and large number of vents, ensuring that there is maximum heat dissipation. It also has 4 rubber padding, ensuring to keep your laptop above the ground, and this gives you a better airflow in the device for an uncompromised gaming performance. As I said, the new Dell G3 is a no compromise laptop for every gamer out there, ensuring that he wins the battle that he is in. The new Dell G3 and G5 are a fantastic range of products for any gamer out there. The new Dell G3 series and a G5 series range starts from 73,990, and I am happy to announce that they are all available with you for our end customer to kind of go and experience and buy the best gaming laptop out there. Thank you.
Thank you, Himanshu. And well, personally, I am amazed. What products, what features, and what equally amazing product designs. I can't wait to experience them, and you shouldn't either. So before we head out to the experience zone, let's welcome back Mr. Manoj for a closing note.
Dear partners, we had the privilege of hosting you for this event today. We have launched some exciting machines today, and I seek your help to ensure that this excitement reaches the end customer also. We succeed together, and I want to assure you on behalf of Dell family that we stay committed to ensure that interacting with us is a great experience for you. Thank you once again for joining us today. Enjoy your evening.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, as we wrap up the launch and head to the experience zone, I would just like to remind you all to head to the Knowledge Center or the engagement zone and participate in the activities. Download the product brochures and videos to win exciting rewards waiting exclusively for you.